guys, happy Friday to you. Just wanted to do a quick video covering Cronos chain. So those of you that may or may not know, the Cronos chain is actually CRO coin. So CRO, if you can see this here, it was early February. The rebrand reflects the centralization of the coin and tremendous growth of Cronos ecosystem. So CRO is now Cronos. So that's been effective since mid-February or so. But I just want to talk about CRO a little bit. I think it has potential growth in the future, and I think a lot of people are overlooking CRO. That's just my personal opinion. But I'll pull up in a chart here for you guys. I wanted to show you. Let's see if I can find it. So I want to show you some a chart here comparing the Cronos chain with BSC. So BNB Smart Chain, this top graph here. So Saturday, January 16th, 2021, total transactions on BNB Smart Chain were 294,426 transactions. There was almost 5,000 new addresses seen on that date. Again, January 16th, 2021. So over a year ago. And then this bottom chart here is showing Cronos chain, CRO, Friday, March 25th, 2022. Very similar numbers. 290,542 transactions. New addresses 4,306. So this is Friday, March 25th of this year. This is right here on the chart, January of 2021. See, before the January time with BNB, it was just kind of steady growth, a little bit. But look at that little blip on the map. And look at what has happened on the BSC network since then. I mean, it has done run up after run up after run up and got higher and higher and higher. So this statistic is from prior to BNB or BSC having its major explosion, which happened spring of 2021. So needless to say, what I'm trying to say is we're in that same, because I'm an investor in CRO. So CRO is in that same position, if you look at it that way, right now is where BNB was right here on this little blip in January of 2021. So with similar transaction numbers per day, with similar new addresses seen per day on the blockchain. So I mean, nobody can predict the future, but I mean, if you just look at it optimistically, I mean, if it did anything, the amount of growth that it's seen and the amount of attention being brought to Cronos chain, if it does anything like BNB did, the BSC network, which they call it now, I mean, just look at the potential run up that CRO could have. So for those of you that are, wanting to look at some different options, look into some new projects or whatnot, I just wanted to bring this up to you guys because right now, I mean, you look at CRO's chart, for instance. I invest in CRO as much as possible. This is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion and what I do. Let me pull it open real quick. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to scoot around here. The right page. Okay, right here. Okay, so this is the history on CRO. I mean, you can see last year it was down low. I mean, it was 2 cents, 3 cents, started trading uptrending a little bit, up to 20-cent range, April 2021. But really, October, November is when it exploded and went up to damn near $1. I mean, we got up to, if I can make it stop on there, hold on. Okay, right there. We're at 89 cents, okay? So now it's retraced back down. We're trading between 38 and 41, 42 cents here the past month or two. But the potential growth, guys, I mean, it could be huge in the future. there's a lot of attention being brought to the Cronos blockchain. There's a lot of projects launching on the Cronos blockchain. It's just something I wanted to point out. I'll pull up in another chart of BNB real quick. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Got a CoinGecko, so we got a familiar chart. So it looks the same as the other one there. Let's see. Okay, BNB. Let's take a little gander at it, guys. So BNB is trading at $403 right now. Let's retrace some because the market's down a little bit. Let's look at the max here. Guys, look at what happened when they're having the same transaction amount. So trading volume is similar. Same amount of new addresses coming on the blockchain each day. This was spring of last year, January, February of last year. Look what has happened since then. That's crazy. I mean, absolutely crazy. So, you know, if you're optimistic, if you want to gamble a little bit, I guess you could say. But if CRO did anything near what BNB has done, this thing has got huge potential from being at 41 cents right now. I mean, it'd just be a little blip on the map, like right here, right there would be about where CRO is right now in comparison for, you know, trade volume and whatnot. So it's just me. I just wanted to point it out. Don't take any advice from me on it at all. Do your own research. It's just something I wanted to talk about because I'm pretty excited about the future of CRO. I'll leave some links in the description for just some different stats and stuff that I ran across. Right here, you can't see it. I apologize. I should have had this. It was blown up a little bit bigger. But this is the Cronos ecosystem. I mean, NFT projects, wallets, incubators, NFT marketplaces, DeFi bridges. Let's see, what else do we got? Decentralized exchanges, validators, yield farming. I mean, GameFi. So there's just tons of projects coming to the Cronos ecosystem. The main one that I've kind of been watching and have invested in here over the past month or two, I guess, is Meerkat Finance, MMF. So I'll pull that open next here. So Meerkat Finance, or most people call it MMF, is, in comparison, it's similar to what Uniswap is to Ethereum, or what PancakeSwap is to BSC network. So there's an exchange. So I mean, if you go to, I'm gonna hop around here a little bit, but if you go to Dex Tools and go to their drop down menu, you know, you're just searching for a certain coin or whatever. You know, you got Ethereum here. Second one is BNB. And then Cronos is right under it, which I've got it selected already. So you go to Cronos, and we'll just go to top trending right now. Let's look at old Crotama, for instance. Crotama. I don't know anything about this. I've seen it, but I'm just pulling this up for an example. Crotama's actually in an uptrend. God, they're up 18% today. I think they're up like 80% yesterday. So it's actually moving. Newer project. But anyway, what the point I was trying to make here is, if you go here, say you're wanting to trade a CRO project, you're on Dex Tools, you find something you wanna trade or buy on there. In order to make the trade, let's see here. I'm sorry, I'm messing up here, guys. Okay, got it. I got it. Maybe it's because I'm not, oh, there we go. So if you're not wanting to trade it on Dex Tools on the Dex Swap, it would take you to Meerkat Finance. So that's the point I was trying to get, is, you know, how Dex Tools takes you to Uniswap for ETH, PancakeSwap for BSC. This is where it would take you for trading pairs on the CRO network. So also on Mad Meerkat Finance, there's farms, there's pools, there's vaults. Excuse me. There's a launch pad. A lot of different stuff going on MMF, and MMF is actually, I'll pull up in their chart too. I mean, it's Cronos chain. MMF, if you look at their chart, so they've only been live on CoinGecko since early January. So they've ramped up quite well. They went up to $1.74. They're back down, dropped back down. They're consolidating around $1.05 right now. So, I mean, it's another one that I just, I feel this has got big potential as the Cronos chain grows, as CRO price goes up, as more volume comes into the chain, to the blockchain, as more people start trading on it, more projects start listing. This is another one on the Cronos chain that I would keep under my radar is MMF, Mad Meerkat Finance. I'll post a link for their website in the description. So yeah, I just wanted to cover these few things here. I'm not going too in depth to it on this video. I just wanted to highlight the Cronos chain a little bit, just talk about it for a minute, talk about Mad Meerkat Finance, and I see a lot of potential. Here's the website. Sorry, the website for crypto.com for the DeFi wallet. So you've got trading options in their DeFi wallet. So there's many ways that you can acquire the CRO coin. And I actually have an account on their DeFi wallet also. I'll put a link in the description for their DeFi wallet also. But guys, do some research. Check into Cronos chain. Dig around in a little bit. Pull up in some of those numbers I was looking at. You can go on Chronoscan. It's like Etherscan, but it's for the Cronos network. Go on Chronoscan. You can look at daily volume traded on the chain. You can look at the number of new wallets on the chain, all that good stuff. And that's how I actually found, the comparison between the BSC network. I went on BSC Scan and Chronoscan and started doing some comparing on trade volume and all that good stuff, and started seeing the correlation between where BSC was early last year before they absolutely exploded. So there may be some big potential in Cronos. Who knows? The future will tell us, I would imagine. Again, not financial advice. This video is just for entertainment purposes, just to highlight a couple things I'm interested in, and maybe pique somebody's interest. You guys may want to just check into a little bit more and see if it's something that you guys would be comfortable with. All right, guys. Well, it's Friday night. I'm fixing to call it a night, and I'll shoot some more videos this weekend and put them out there for you guys to check out. And we'll talk to you soon. Y'all have a good night tonight. Peace.